Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating Roblox in Scratch 3.0. So now let's get started. So you can draw these costumes or you can even take them from the link in the description. When the flag is clicked for the loading screen, we'll make a new variable named username display. OK. Now we'll set username display to blank in the beginning. We'll make another new variable named username and a third one named gender. Now we'll duplicate this block 2 times, set username to blank and set gender to blank. We'll go to looks and we'll take the block show, set ghost effect to 0. Now we'll code the loading sprite. When the flag is clicked, go to front layer from looks, show, switch costume to costume 1 of the sprite, repeat 20 times. Next costume, we'll go to events, wait for 0.4 seconds, broadcast home screen. When I receive home screen, repeat 50 times, change ghost effect by 2, height. Now we'll drag this code to the loading screen sprite and clean up the blocks, like this. Now we'll code the background. When the flag is clicked, height. When I receive home screen, show. When the flag is clicked, height for the sign up button. When I receive home screen, show forever. If else block, if touching mouse pointer, then we'll go to looks, set brightness effect to -50, else set brightness effect to 0. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast sign up page, height. When the flag is clicked, height for translucent screen. When I receive sign up page, show. When the flag is clicked, height. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast clear previous value, enter a username, no numbers, emojis, /symbols. Set username to answer, broadcast show type username value. When I receive sign up page, show. When the flag is clicked, go to X0 and Y0 height for username letters. When I receive, we'll make a new block, show username input. OK. Now I will clean up the blocks like this. When I receive show type username value, show username input value, define show username input value, go to X and Y0. We'll make a new variable named word, and this time it's for this sprite only. Another one named letter number for this sprite only. Now we'll set word to blank and set letter number to 1. Height, set word to username. As we have these costumes here, like these, we'll go to the code, switch costume to letter 1 of word, repeat length of word. Create clone of myself, change letter number Y1, move 10 steps. Switch costume to letter number of word. When I start as a clone, show. When I receive clear previous value, delete this clone. Now I will drag this code to the password box. Like this. Yes. We'll change the values like the broadcast messages, and we'll drag this code of the username letters to the password letters like this. And the last one too. And we'll clean up the blocks and again change the value to password input value and also the broadcast messages like this. So now we'll code the gender box. When the flag is clicked, switch costume to none selected, hide. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast ask again. When I receive ask again, set gender to blank. Switch costume to none selected, ask gender, male or female, and wait. If else, in the else, we'll put another if else block. If answer equals to male, then else. If answer equals to female, then. If answer equals to male, then set gender to male, switch costume to male selected. Else, if answer equals to female, then set gender to female, switch costume to female selected. Else, broadcast ask again. When I receive sign up page, show. When the flag is clicked for sign up confirm button. Clear graphic effects, hide. When I receive sign up page, show. Forever, if else block. If touching mouse pointer, then set brightness effect to -25. Else, set brightness effect to 0. Now we'll add this code. When I receive setting up homepage, hide to each and every sprite, to the username box, username letters, password box, password letters, gender, and home screen layout. When the flag is clicked, switch costume to homepage, show. Set username display to join username and explanation mark, show variable username display. If setting up homepage, if gender equals to male, then switch costume to male. If gender equals to female, then switch costume to female. Go to front layer and show from looks. When the flag is clicked, hide from games button. When I receive setting up homepage, go to front layer and show. Forever, if else block. If touching mouse pointer, then switch costume to hover, else switch costume to not hover. So it creates a hovering effect. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast games page. Now we'll drag this code to the avatar shop button like this, and we'll add on some code. Now to the game categories. When I receive games page, go to front layer and show. When the flag is clicked, hide. When I receive setting up home page, hide. Now for the home button, when the flag is clicked, hide. When I receive setting up home page, show variable username display, go to front layer and show from looks. When I receive games page, hide variable username display. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast setting up home page. When the flag is clicked, hide forever for Parkour game button. If else block. If touching mouse pointer, then set brightness effect to -25, else set brightness effect to 0 for a hovering effect. When I receive games page, go to front layer and show. When I receive setting up page, hide. So now we can test out a project. the project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, don't forget to put the notification bell on. Bye, meet you next time.